is matter, but can you see it? Let's do a lab to find out.
Okay, so for this lab, you're going to need some protection for your eyes. Glasses, goggles, anything that will really protect your eyes. So, yeah, just be careful.
Matter has mass and it takes up space, so therefore we are made of matter.
And matter is made of tiny particles called
Atoms! So today we have two different experiments where we will be able to see matter. Okay, so today for my experiment, I just need about half a bottle of water, a cold relief pill, but break it in half so it can actually fit in there, and also because we have to do this fast already. And some balloons. Here we go. You might want to hold it. I can already feel it tension. Oh my god. It's sticking up.
so cool.
It's sticking straight up. That's so cool. So what's inside of the balloon is gas made of atoms. It's so tight.
You can also do this experiment in a test tube with vinegar and baking soda. And throughout this chemical reaction, the gases form, which is atoms. So you're just going to pour the test tube about halfway full of vinegar, carefully so you don't spill. It's good. And then you're going to need to pour the baking soda and put the balloon on really quickly. Okay, so...
Oh my god.
Oh! Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, it's look at that, all those atoms in there.
Oh, it's really tight.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
3,
2,
2, 1.
Where did it oh.
So, how'd it go, H-Team? Guess what? Sometimes experiments don't work in science, and that is okay. We just redo it. But regardless, I would love if you would share your results to any of our HTH platforms, and then I'm going to give you some feedback. Can't wait to see what you did. Bye!
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.